Okay. Maybe we are good now. Maybe we are good now. Hey. What's going on? Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon, just like my mic is going all the way to the moon. Okay. Okay, we are good now. Good deal. Hey. All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome. We are back. We are back. Come on over to the correct stream, Alexandra G. I saw you in the other one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and share this out. There we go. And that's it. All right. Cool. Are we good? Are we live? Excellent. Let's just go ahead and bring up the chart. Charts full screen. I think I got stopped out. That's cool. Cool. That's me full. Where's charts screen single? There we go. There's all the good stuff. All right. All right, guys. So chess, charts, and chill. We're just streaming, chilling, charting, and playing some chess. All right. You can see I've already played one game and I lost. That's how it goes. I'm brand new. Damn it, I think I got stopped out. Come on now. Thank you. Yep, I got stopped out. That's all right. I was up, but I knew I should have taken some profit up here at this high. But hey, man, the thing started dumping as soon as I was looking at that. Sitting here getting a little bit of a bounce. Hold on. All right, so yeah. Getting this is weird. My trading view is showing a bounce, but my actual Blowfin exchange isn't showing this bounce. What is going on here? Is one of you lagging? Hello? Which one of you is lagging? Hello? Uh-oh. Hey, there we go. Hey, Alexandra G in the house. What's going on? David. Yeah, sorry. I don't know what happened with the yeah, I don't know what happened with the other stream. I had to start it over. But yeah. Why am I showing a bounce on the trading view but not on the actual exchange? It's kind of weird. Maybe I need to refresh the exchange side. Let's try it. All right, let's go ahead and turn on some music. We're getting a little bit of bounce off of the 8:30 opening, coming back up to VWAP. Not really looking good. Let's put on some background music. We're going to be chilling, playing some chess, and trading. See if we can't get into some trades. You see me, I see you. I see you. Yep. Charting and chilling and playing some chess. If my internet will allow me to do all these things all at once. We'll see. All right, so now the exchange is properly showing me what I need to see here. So music is having some struggle here. Let's turn on the music. Put on the chess. Let me bring up my screen over here. Let's pull the chest down over here. David, I see you. I see you too. My chat box might need to move. Might need to move the old chat box. Just give it a second, guys. The internet's got to catch up with everything that I'm trying to do right now. Bitcoin coming back up to VWAP. We'll see if it'll act as resistance or if we can get back above it. Potentially a double bottom in here. This would have been a nice long entry here, probably, maybe. We'll see. But our Prime Oscillator Pro Plus is not acting right. All right, I might not be able to do the live trades. It's just the exchange is really bogging my internet down, apparently. Let's just go ahead and close the exchange. I'll do the trading on here. All right, we'll just do the trading on here. What is going on, LJ? All right, what happened to my window capture here? Why is it not showing? Well, let's close it. Let's add a new one. Sorry about that. Yeah, I figured I'd do a stream. Haven't done one on this channel in a while, so why not? Why not? Feeling a lot better today. Muscles, body is still a little weak and achy, but that won't keep me from coming on here and hanging out with you guys. Why can't I just do a single tab? Screen capture, maybe? No. Window capture, that does the whole window. I just want to do a tab, okay? Maybe if I separate it out, that'll work. Not too bad. Wouldn't mind the bull run starting any day now. Yeah, I know, right? So we're trying to come back up. Let's get above the VWAP here and see what we can do. But yeah, we're just going to be streaming and chilling. Just wanted to hang out with you guys. Play some chess. I've become a pretty big chess addict as of late. Don't expect any professionalism from me. You have been disconnected. Well, let's redo that then. Doing this on the fly. I had it all set up prior to the stream, but it's being a little bugger. It's being a little bugger. Let's move this down all around. How are you all doing? We're getting this set up on the fly. We'll keep my opponent's names out of here. Well, you got to be able to see their time. Here we go. Little rejection off of VWAP. Can't get above it right now, but it is putting in some equal highs over here. So it might just be consolidating before continuation. We'll have to wait to see, but it's not looking too strong right now. Money flow is below the zero line. It is not looking good. Glad to hear you're feeling better. Thank you. Thank you. Yep, feeling better. Still not 100%, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Analyzing game. Yeah, I know. So I already lost one. All right, it's trying to do too much, I guess, for the old computer here, but we'll make it work. Let's do a new game. How do I do a new game? Here we go. New game. And let's play. Play. 10-minute game. 10 minutes for each side. Buenos días, señor David. ¿Cómo le va el día de hoy? I don't even know what that means. Can you speak the English? I don't know what any of this means. All right, let's start it up. Start up the game. Chess will teach you some patience and some strategy. And get you thinking outside of the box. So it might be good for you to learn how to play. That was terrible. Probably shouldn't have done that. He's going to take it. And then I can't move my horse out. All right, come on, Bitcoin. Let's start moving, man. Lots of whipsawing price action today. It takes with the horse. Ridiculous. We'll push. I might not be able to do the music. It's unfortunate. I like having music in the background. Oh, how are you today, senor? I'm doing better. Doing better, thank you. Thought it did. I've been learning Spanish. Takes a long time. Yeah. All right, Bitcoin, come on. Get back above VWAP. All right, we're still struggling at VWAP, so I'm not taking any trades right now. I want to get above VWAP, and I want to see our prime oscillator. Hold on, I got to move the chat. Move it over here. There we go. Got to get the prime oscillator back above the zero line. I mean, we're starting to get there. Our trend ribbon is starting to push above the zero line. Our money flow is starting to push to the upside. Looks like we are getting a little bit of a move here. So I don't see no bullish divergence in here. Now we are on the 1 minute chart. So let's go ahead and go to the 5 minute, see what we got going on. Oh, I'm running out of time here. Hold on. Don't forget you're playing chess, David. There we go. My opponent has no clue. Has no clue. Has no clue. Jeanette, what's going on, Jeanette? How you doing? Thank you for being here. I do appreciate you. So this does look like we came down, tapped into the lows, came back up into this fair value gap and pushed down. And I'm wondering if we're just consolidating before we head further down. We'll see. Yeah. Oh, that's ugly. You're going to force me to move my queen or my knight. Actually, my queen is backing up my knight right now, so I'm not even going to worry about that. I'm going to need to develop these pieces more. Let's move the bishop. The 1 minute, yeah, I was on the 1 minute. Here's the 5. Not looking as bullish. Man, I really need this music. So I need it to do better. Do better. Do better. All right, so now he's threatening my bishop, but I do have the queen lined up on my bishop. Don't really like it. Yeah, not sure. Come on, Bitcoin. We got a nice pump up today. Getting the move down. You know, I thought we would get a push up today. I thought we'd go a little bit higher, and we still might. We're still battling that VWAP. So, oh, there we go. It's just pushed above the VWAP. Nice big push there, so that's good. I'm going to run out of time. Need to move. Estoy aquí. What did he just take? Oh, he took my queen. It's all right. Not paying attention. Trying to do too many things at once, I think. Maybe. Oh, it's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. Not looking good. All right. We're getting a little push on the Bitcoin. Let's go down to the 1 minute again. Oh, yeah. He's got me in check now. Just took another rook. I'm way behind in this game. I'm gonna go ahead. Would you like to chat? No, thanks. I'm just gonna go ahead and resign on this one. I did not play a good game on that one, which is fine. Let's go 103K. That's what I'm looking for. 1v1U. How can we do that? Are you on chess.com? If you're on chess.com, let me know. I'm very new to chess, very new to chess.com, very new to how all this works. So if you know how to find people and play them on chess.com, I am, of course, Lunar Beaches on chess.com. So my ELO is only 283 because I am brand new and terrible. So if you want to play, let's go. Trading and playing chess. Yeah. All right, so we got above the VWAP. Trying to get a back test on it now. I'm gonna go ahead and do something with this. I'm just gonna turn this music off. Really wanted music in the background. Maybe I'll just play it on my phone. I don't know. But I could take the headphones off since I don't have music playing. Well, I gotta hear the clicks of the chess. Hold on, maybe I'll just unplug from there. Maybe I can hear. Yeah, I know how to, but dog calls. There you go. Never mind, my dog wants to play footsie. How about TRX? Looks like it wants to pamp. Pay it. Pay it. I don't know what pay it means. Pay it. All right, so we're, yeah, losing the VWAP again. TRX, let's take a look at TRX. We'll look at whatever you guys want to look at today, guys. I'm all cool with it. If you think that we might see a pamp, then I can maybe take advantage of a pamp, and yeah, we'll see. I know Alex O likes to go by Bybit because he says there's a lot more volume on there. Oh, it's already pamping, took out a high. Of course, we're on the 2 minute chart. Let's zoom out a little bit. We'll start a new game here in a second. Let's go ahead and just take a look at the charts. Woo! Hold up, mad times. Mad time. This ain't mad, all right? That is on Piper Academy, all right? This is just any more dumps on BTC alts will be dead forever. Yeah. Well, unless it's a rotation from Bitcoin into the alts, then it's not so much dead altcoins. It's just a rotation, right? So TRX does look a little pumpy. I need to zoom out way more. Let's go ahead and go to the 4 hour on TRX. Zoom down, zoom down. Oh, yeah, that does look a little pumpski. We might be able to ride some momentum on this one. Let's see if we've got anything What we got going on here? Weekly, we're above the weekly VWAP. That's good. 3D trend, still purple on the 4 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. If we want to jump on something today, we need to look on a little bit lower of time frames. We are green on our 3D trend. We are above the VWAP. We are above the zero line. Money flow still in the red. So not really showing a lot of strength really across the board here. Just not looking good for continuation for strength. Strengths ain't looking good, my guys, my fam. Hola, French toaster. What's going on, guys? So yeah, let's see. No, I can't do that. Still, I need to block the light. TRX potential move here. So the 1 hour, let's get above this high here and see what we can do from there. I don't know. It's a little too late to be jumping in on a long right now because we have already gotten the bounce off of VWAP and the 3D trend, and we're above that New York Open, so that looks good. Yeah, just be cautious because we are up here at the highs. Even though this is lower time frame, we're still at the highs here, so we just want to take in all these last remaining green blocks, green candles over here. Just take in all of those. We'll move this on over, and we'll see if we get a rejection from that range. Let's go. What oscillator is that? This is the Prime Oscillator Pro Plus. So watching that, we can throw up something that some of you might be a little more familiar with. It's going to be the cheapo version, the Schaefer version of not market cipher. So heavy, thick in the green on the money flow. VWAP coming down though. VWAP coming down. So be cautious here. Yeah. See, it's already like at the highs, so it's not something that I'm interested in longing at the moment unless if this gets a pullback down into this opening fair value gap, that's what this green bar is showing. So this is the 930, 940 FVG, this when it was created. So keeping an eye on that one, as we could come back down into that. We do see this big candle push up here. Nice imbalance in here, so potentially could come back down before it reverses back to the upside. All right, let's start a new game. I might have to do some maneuvering here. Let's do some maneuvering. All right, new game. I really need the music. The music like gets me in the zone, but the music's not wanting to play nice. Crying right now with 8x. Wait, I'm in a long retesting entry 99 220 nano BTC. Oh, playing the Coinbase futures. All set. I see you. I don't know if I would, but I actually haven't traded any Coinbase futures. All right, let's see what we got here. So we're playing with black, so we are in a defensive position. Let's see what we can do with it. Pushing your side? Okay, that's interesting. That's an interesting take. Let's see, let's see, let's see. We want to open up lanes for our bishops. That's probably not a good move, but we'll see. Bishop and our queen. Develop our pieces here and get going. Let's see. See what our opponent wants to do. Yeah, TRX potentially putting in a little bit of a bearish divergence here as it comes up into resistance. So we'll just see. Move the knight up. I got a feeling this is about to come back down. Bitcoin, what are we doing, man? Are we dumping even more? All right, so you pushed the pawn, you took my pawn. We'll take yours back. How about that? Come on, take it with the horse. All right, so we can swap horses. Nope. Gonna come up here with the pawn sitting below the 3D trend on the 5-minute. Let's get rid of non-MCAB. That's not what I wanted. Let's get rid of the not MCA. Let's stick with our chart prime. Crying right now with 8x. And you said from where? 99 to 20. Ooh. Oh, you got in on this wick? Or did you get in on this pullback? Which one? Which one? So zooming out, we can see that we're back testing. We broke out. Let's turn off some indicators here. Let's turn off the 930. Let's turn off the 3D trend. Let's keep the kill zones up and the VWAP up. Let's get rid of the oscillator real quick. And yeah, so we can see. Actually, let's go ahead and get rid of the kill zones. There we go. Basic price action. Break, back test. I mean, this looks like it should be a good spot to long from. But the question is, I mean, our money flow is holding above the zero line, so that's good. And this thing could flip back up. Man, I'm thinking I might want to just go ahead and just take a long. Let's see, this is the 15-minute. The only issue that I see is that we are still struggling with that VWAP. And potentially, let's move this down a little bit so I can see some relatively equal lows here. So yeah. Oh, my opponent's probably waiting for me to move. Let's see. Let's go here. Threaten the horse with backup from the pawn. Trade horses here. Maybe. We'll see. Let's see. Let's bring up some other VWAP, see if we've got some other key levels in here. So we are sitting on top of the weekly VWAP, so that's good. Let's go to the monthly. So we're getting squeezed between the monthly and the weekly right now. So patience, patience, patience. We'll wait for the right trade. Let's keep the weekly VWAP up, and let's turn on Market Oracle Pro Plus, sitting above the dynamic reactor, so that's good, and above the quantum reactor. Quantum reactor is in the green on the 15-minute. Like I said, we did get a break above the trend line, getting that getting the pullback. I want to see if we can't come down a little bit lower before we think about taking an entry in here. All right, so let's see. He's taking a pawn. Do we want to go ahead and trade horses here? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this horse off the board. So we're in a buy signal here on the Bitcoin. If there's any other assets you guys would like me to look at, just let me know in the chat. We'll take a look at them. What's going on, Joe? How you doing, my friend? All right, so he does take the horse, as we were expecting. Let's go ahead and let's put some pressure on this pawn over here with the bishop. Still struggling at that VWAP, guys, so I'm not taking any trades at the moment. Slides his bishop down here, threatening my king. Put me in check. All right, you want to put me in check? That's cool. I'll just throw this pawn in the way, threaten your bishop. If he tries to take, then I got him with this bishop here, or this pawn here, rather. Learn how to play all of the alts, please. Yeah, look at the waves. What's going on, T.I. Joe? Bingo, bango. One of these days, if I ever have emojis, because if I stream more often on my channel, maybe I'll start getting up to some nice streaming hours to where I can and get up to 1,000 subs, and we can start doing some emojis and memberships and stuff. But very rarely do I get to come on here. So let's see. Moves the bishop back. Let's see. We've got a queen. See, my development has been garbage. I haven't even been able to castle yet. So let's go ahead. Let's see. Is there anywhere I can place this bishop? I can't put it here because he's got his bishop here. Can't put it here, pawn. Can't put it here, pawn. Can put it here. Let's do that. All right, let's see what he does. Or she. He's up on me for about 2 minutes in time, which is fine. All right, so he pushes the pawn. It's not really what I wanted. I'm going to have to retreat a little bit. I'm not wanting to get rid of the pawn or the bishop just yet. Would not be a fair trade. Still sitting below the 0 line. Anything interesting popping off at all? Let's see. Let's take a look. Let's see. Pendle up 17%. Ooh, getting a nice rejection. Ooh, is this a short opportunity? All right, so moves bishop down. What is he planning? He's got all of this lined up here. Let's go ahead and push pawn. Probably not a good move. Pushing pawns on my king side. It's not good. Wait, I'm off by 12 hours. Hella nap I took. What up, David Gelfand? 20 to 25K of them. Not too many. I don't know what that means. Do I want to trade a horse? Well, let's just... Oh, I can't... Why didn't it castle? Why... Oh, that's my queen. I'm an idiot. Why do they make the king? And I don't know why. For some reason, I was thinking I was white. I was playing white. Pendle getting a nice little push up today. All right. No, let's move this up. All right, so now I've got a nice little chain here. I have queen here. Not really looking good. I don't think either one of us are looking particularly good right now. ATH, what is this, all-time high? Aether? All right, so coming down to VWAP, maybe trying to get a bounce off of that. I have no idea what this coin is, never traded it in my life. Moves the rook over. All right, I'm going to have to start making some moves here. All right, let's push Let's move the queen back over here so I can take care of this lane. I mean, I do already have the bishop over here, but this just helps protect my bishop as well. Let's come over here. Let's go back to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still struggling with that VWAP. Not looking good. All right, so he drops his rook down. Not what I wanted to see. I can't move. Man, I am not playing well today. That is for dang sure. Let's see. What can I do with this bishop? Or this rook, rather. Can't really do anything. I don't really have a move here. Let's move the queen up. He can squeeze them in, I'm sure. Let's see. What's that? Squeeze what in? Got an ether node, apparently a competitor of render? Oh, okay. Oh, wait. How did I miss that? What a blunder. What a blunder. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Trading and chessing is not good, apparently. I'm not playing well at all. Of course, this is my first time playing chess and streaming, so there we go. All right, so moves the bishop down to protect the pawn from my rook. Don't really have much as far as moves here. I should probably just go ahead and resign, but we'll see. Especially since he took my queen. All right, we're finally getting above the VWAP again. Let's go down to the smaller time frames, take a look. Go down to the 5 minute. Oh, man. All right, so. All right, moves queen, protect the bishop. Can't move this horse now. I got the horse stuck. That's cool. Let's move the king over one. Threaten the rook. All right, so still getting squeezed between the dynamic reactor and the VWAP. So Bitcoin's not really doing much of anything right now. Yep. All right, so now can't take. This is looking really bad. Really, really bad. I should probably just go ahead and resign. That's all right. Score just keeps dropping today. That's cool. That's cool. New 10 minute. What time is it? 10:45. Probably about to get into some see, when does this kill zone end? I think this kill zone ends at 12 Eastern Standard Time. So kind of setting up for the PM move. Could potentially, man, we're still holding here at the dynamic reactor on the 5 minute. So, oh, I need to hurry up. Pushing the pawn. Queen trying to threaten. I ain't worried about you. King. So this is my king side of the board. So I want to kind of keep this protected over here. Let's go ahead and move the horse. Lunar, you should play some community members. Would be fun. Yeah, man, I've been thinking about it. I want to get a little bit better though, so I don't just suck against you guys. I was thinking about maybe in the future setting up some type of tournament, chess tournament, and playing for like, I don't know, just some USDT or something. I think that would be fun. Fun for the community and everyone. Uh, oh, I can't move that because he's got the queen here. Okay. Let's put some pressure on the pawn. Bags packed like weekend pump. Ah, I don't know if we'll see a weekend pump. Man, this price action is slaw. Slaw. Started off nice, but not looking too great. Let's take a look at XRP. Just gonna be sitting here and chilling and charting and playing chess and talking to you guys, hanging out with you guys. We'll go until I can't go anymore. Basically, that's kind of what I'm thinking. So we got some lows here on XRP. Probably might want to come down and sweep these. If we do a measured move, hold on. See, I developed the wrong piece again, but give me that bishop. Give me that bishop. Okay. Now we've got the horsey over here. It's trying to entice me, but I know that king... Well, actually, I don't know that the king can get me if I put it in check. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Check. Oh, it can. It can get me. Dang. Well, that's not how my other game plays. I don't understand. I should have done a long freaking castle here. Oh, well. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Man, that in chess, my friends, is what we call a blunder. I just gave my queen away for absolutely no reason. But now we know. Now we know that even if in check, it can still take. I figured, but for some reason, on the chess game app that I've been playing, it like won't let you take it won't let the king take the person or the piece that's put it in check. So I don't know. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. All right. It's funny. I've been watching all these chess guys, and they're like, all right, queen to c3, 4, 9 or 5, d, f, knight to f3, 5, 6. I don't know any of this stuff. Like I said, I'm very new to that type of game on the chess. All right, let's see if this can get a break. My opponent is moving quicker than I can take advantage of. So if we just go from this, if we do measure move from this high, and before it breaks, I mean, that does get us right back down here to the dynamic reactor, but we could come back down and revisit the New York Open here. So he moves the horse down here, threatening my pawns over here. And if he comes and he takes this, then he puts my rook into some trouble. If he comes down, he won't come down and take this. So let's give my rook some room, and let's put his horse in, give his horse some pressure. Well, let's just take it. Just going to give it to me. I'm going to take it. I'd be down to play. I haven't played chess in forever, though. I haven't either. I just now started to really start getting into it. It's been a while. I loved playing chess as a kid, but never got like really heavy into it. But my YouTube Shorts algorithm decided that I wanted to start showing me a bunch of chess shorts, and that really got me interested again. And but I don't know. It's exciting. It's fun. It's challenging. I love a good challenge. I love a good strategy challenge. Let's go ahead and threaten this pawn with the backup of the rook here. All right, so you're going to take that. We'll just push higher. So we've got a nice little chain going on here, except the horse isn't really a good part of that chain because it can't back up these pawns. Let's see. Running low on time, running low on time. Let's see, what can we do? All right, so he's got his king over here. What can we do? All right, so I can put him in check. He can't take my bishop because of my knight. And he'll have to use his queen, maybe. Or he'll just move the king back. He'll probably just move the king back. Because if he takes with the queen, then I'll just take him with the horse. Maybe he moves it to the side. It's fine. It's fine. Not a bad move. But now I've already taken that, so I can move my bishop here, keeping this square and this square covered with the knight. So if he tries to take my bishop, I'll just take him, take his queen. All right, move down. Sinister, sinister. That's a good move. But let's put his king in check again. It's going to take me with the rook. Maybe. Doesn't see the rook. Wow. Wow. Okay, he's going after my bishop, I see. Going after the bishop. It really hurts that I already lost my queen. Ah, man, so, oh, here we go. Breakdown possibly here on XRP. Yeah, man, this is not good. Let's threaten. Let's move this up here, so see what he does. That's a good move right here. Good move right here. All right, so he does finally come down and take that horse. Should we short XRP? Do a little scalp short. Come down to the low. I got a feeling that will work out. Let's go down to a smaller time frame and see if we can't. Okay, so we got the break of the trend. So see if we can't get a push down and then a push up for a back test. Maybe we even come back up here and back test into the dynamic reactor, and that's something that we could potentially take a short from. Running low on time, running low on time. Oh man, it's not looking good, not looking good. What can I do? Let's go ahead and push, 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 push. Threaten the rook. Ooh, XRP getting a push down. All right, so he moves the pawn. Good play. It's going to go ahead and take the rook. I'll exchange the rook for a pawn. It's probably not the wisest decision, but I don't have very many options. I need to move my... Let's go ahead and castle. I'll go ahead and take that. Queen, if you want to take that, I'll take you with the horse. All right, so we're getting that push up here. This might be a good chance to take a short on XRP. Minute 30, where'd he go? Threatening my rook. but I still have the horse, so that's good. Let's go ahead and move our bishop. Got VWAP, got measured move. We'll see. See, that's a 4-1. Let's do a 3-1. This might be a good short. Oh, I'm running super low on time. All right, let's put him in check. Gonna have to go quick. 30 seconds. My opponent's probably like, why is he taking so long to make all of his moves? Check. Check. Solid, solid. Move over here. Oh, he's gonna take my freaking rook. That's all right. Oh, no, he can't. I've got him blocked. I've got 15 seconds. Check. No, let's not do it. Oh, I got 5 seconds. Check. Oh, no. I already made the move. What a terrible move. Oh, no. Oh, he's put me in check. Oh, no. Get out. Oh, I had him too, man. I had him. Come on. What are you going to do? Come on. Make your move. Make your move. Got 1 second. Ah, I had him. Was not paying attention to the time. Come on, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh, I can't go there. Come on. Make your move. He'd be wise to, nope, he can't put me in check. I'll take his horse. Or take his queen. Of course, he's got all the time in the world. I should put these on 15-minute games. Since I can't really pay attention like I need to. Oh, that was a nasty, yeah. Oh, all right. So we are back to that dynamic reactor. There we go. Got a nice rejection off a dynamic reactor. So from here, this is where I would potentially take the trade, put my stop loss above the quantum reactor, and then we'll see. We'll see. We are getting a little bit of a push back. Money flows turning back to the green, so we'll see. But let's zoom this out a little bit. I've done nothing but lose so far, so that's all right. As long as we are winning here. Man, if I just had the time on that last game, I had him. I freaking had him. Misplayed it. Misplayed it because of the time. Hold on, let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put in a small short here on XRP. It's 11 o'clock, which means we should start seeing some movement here. Well, it's 12. XRP. I'm going to put a small position in. We'll do 50 bucks. All right, we are short. We're going to take this short. See how it plays. Ooh, all right, that looks good. Start a new game. Really wish this is why we need music, so we can have a little bit of extra background noise going on as I'm playing. All right, so we're white. I always like to go pawn e4 is what it's called, pawn e4. Automatically puts down the horse to threaten. So I'll grab my horse over here to help protect my pawn. Adds another horse. We're gonna play this game. All right. Not really sure what this opening is called, but it's fairly common when you get the 4 horses and you get the 4 pawns in the middle. Trying to play the middle game, you want to try, especially as a beginner, you want to try to take control of the middle of the board. So all these pieces are good. So what we want to do is we want to develop our pieces further. Let's see. I really want to see him push up here, but I don't have anything to protect this pawn if I push. So let's just get the bishop out of the way. And now I can castle. I'd like to have a little bit more development out of these pieces, but oh, he pushes the pawn. I'm going to have to push back. Take. We're just going to trade pieces. You're going to take my horse. All right, so he decides to push the pawn. I can't take his horse because then he'll just come down here and take my bishop. But his horse can't take my pawn here, so that's okay. I'll just go ahead and take his pawn with the bishop because I want to keep my pawns over here to help protect my king. So I can go ahead and, nope, can't do that. Moves the horse over, so let's just move it up. Protect with the other horse. Come on, XRP, dump. Dump. I need you to dump. I've just got my stop loss just above that high. Oh my God, who's come life, my gang? How are you, brother? What's going on, Rashad? Now I don't trade just for 1 or 2 week learning lesson trade. Okay. All right, so he takes my... Wow. Okay. Oh, I didn't see the bishop. Freaking hung my bishop out to dry. Threaten my queen. How dare you? How dare you? All right. XRP's trying to fight back. All right, so he moves his queen. Let's go ahead and castle. All right, so now I'm protected on this side. Now I want to start pushing over here. So let's just go ahead and start pushing. Of course. Of course. Freaking losing my queen left and right. Lock. There we go. There's that dump on XRP. Let's go. Last week I lost all my wallet. Oh boy. Oh boy. Sorry about that, Rashad. Push, push, push. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. Just keep pushing. Trying to take my rook, I see. I see you trying to take my rook. Let's back up my horse over here. Come on, XRP. Give me the dump ski. All right, moves the king forward. Decent move, decent move. But let's put him in check. How about you move that king again? If we come down to the dynamic reactor, we'll take half off. I mean, already breaking this low. We should already be taking a little bit off, but hey, if it just sweeps that low, it might come back to the upside. Let's see. I don't want to swap bishops. I'm already down too many pieces. Let's go ahead and threaten this bishop. I've got the rook to back it up. All right, so he's put me in check. We'll just go ahead and move the king up. Okay. Why? Oh, that's another bishop. Okay, let's see. So we'll have to push you back. I don't like that. Do not like this. It's not looking good. It's not looking good, guys. Good to see you're still at it, brother. Much love. King Kush. Hey, man. Never stops. Wife is calling. One sec. Hey, babe. Streaming. All right, babe. Be safe. Love you. Bye. All right. Did I miss something? Why did he do that? I don't like this. This is pushing back against me over here on XRP. All right, threatening my horse with the rook. That's fine. I'll put him back in check. He's going to come over here and take. Wow, really? Well, let's get the bishop out of harm's way. Yeah, it looks like XRP might have just came down to sweep this low. We do have this consolidation range in here. We do have some equal highs over here as well. So coming down and taking this low and then pushing back to the upside. Black one. Oh, he just checkmated me. Cool. Have not won a game yet. This is not looking good, and my score keeps falling. Oh, man. Come on, XRP. Pay me. Market's looking a little weak. Bitcoin's back below $98,000. So, yeah, let's go back. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Equal lows, equal lows. See if it wants to come and take that out. Coming down to that quantum reactor. See if it can hold it up. But we do have the New York Open sitting right down here that also sits on an inefficiency here on the 5 minutes. Looks like we're kind of bottoming out a little bit here on our trend ribbon, but that doesn't mean that we can't roll over, sweep these lows here. But it is putting in a bullish divergence. But I mean, this thing is falling now. Let's go back to XRP real quick. All right, so coming back down to this wick. Come on now. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. It's looking good so far. It's looking good so far. Anything, if you guys want me to look at anything in particular, don't forget to put it in the chat. Yeah, I'm still at it, King Kush. I mean, I stream every single well, I stream Sunday through Thursday on the Piper Academy Network. So at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to midnight. So if you're ever up late, of course, I don't know where you are in the world, but if you're in the U.S. and if you're ever up late, or if you're on the West Coast, you should be able to catch me. But yeah, what is this? All right, let's see if I can get some music going and it not be laggy. Come on, XRP. So we have this kill zone low here that I would kind of expect us to come down and take out, because this is looking just kind of weak. Got the bear flag if we're trading patterns here. And that's why I did this measured move here. This was from the breakdown. And yeah, we'll see if it continues to push. It's still kind of, it's holding up. It's holding up. It's not wanting to continue to push lower. But we'll see. Generally, thoughts on Crow and VW? Yeah, just been in and out of the game myself. Yeah. Hello, YouTube. Thank you. Oh, looks like Trade Intuition is live as well. Brother, you were just live at 1 o'clock in the morning. What are you doing? Trade Intuition is live. Let's, how about some lo-fi hip-hop? Oh, I forgot I unplugged my headphones. All right, I might have to unhook my mixer real quick. So this might get loud. Just be prepared. Oh, there it goes. Can you still hear me? One in the chat. It looks like it's pumping. So I closed my XRP trade like $20 profit. Don't like it. Here we go. It's trying to keep pushing down. So I think we'll come down here and take out this internal range low here. That's what I'm looking for. And it's pushing. Come on now. Come on now. Can y'all hear the music? Is it too loud? There it goes. Can you still hear me? One in the chat. It looks like it's pumping. So wow. XRP trade like $20 profit. Don't like it. Wow. Really loud on my. Okay, turning myself down a little bit. There we go. I was really loud. So why didn't you guys tell me I was so loud? I think we'll come down here and take out this internal range low here. That's what I'm Can't hear the music? And it's pushing. Come on down. Come on down. It's weird. Why can't we hear the music? Gonna have to open up my sound settings, check everything, make sure everything's good. Wait, is it because I don't have the window capture on? No, it should still be picking it up. Hello. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Oh, all right. Take profit one just hit on XRP. Good deal. We'll go ahead and close partial profits. I don't have a lot in this trade, and it's only a 3x, so I'll keep it open. We'll keep it open. My computer is not wanting to act right. Did you say you can hear it? You can hear me, but not the music. Why are my sound settings being so stupid? Come on. Open volume mixer. Okay, so we got a cell signal now on XRP, so we might just go ahead and hold on to this one, guys. Yep. We're gonna see if we can't ride this one down at least to the full measured move here, taking out this low. Like I said, we do have the New York Open over here as well. So I could definitely see this continuing to move lower. Shout out to you if you took the trade with me. Getting a little bit of a bounce on the dynamic reactor, which is also lining up with the VWAP. So I'm just going to go ahead and stay in the trade, keep my stop loss where it is. If it comes back and takes me out, that's fine. It'll be all right. Small loss. If it happens that way. I wonder, it's probably not even in here. It's probably something to do with my settings inside the Streamlabs. Let's see. Properties. Desktop audio is barely up. Device. Yep. There we go. Now we should be able to hear. Oh, monitor. That's what we need. Monitor. Monitor and output. There we go. Now we should be able to hear some music, guys. Now we should be able to hear some music. It's just some chill lo-fi stuff, so let's see. All right, XRP. What are we doing? What's going on, guys? There's 9 of you in here, and we've got 14 likes somehow. Okay. Correct, no music. I was playing it a tad risky. Hmm. It should be, for some reason, it's not showing that the music is playing. Default? I'm not hearing music. I mean, I'm hearing it, but I'm not seeing it showing up. Why is it not? I don't understand. I heard that, Alexander Drink. Come on, XRP. Continue. Continue. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get this music going. I don't understand why it's not. Desktop audio device. I mean, I've got all the settings right, so I don't know what's going on. XRP still looking good so far. Sounds? I don't know, man. Oh, there we go. We lost the dynamic reactor. We lost it. Come on. Keep pushing. Dynamic reactor trying to turn red. It's what we wanted to see. Come on. Coffee time, David. Is it coffee time? Playback. Yep. That's what it's supposed to be on properties. Device usage. Use this device. Let's disable. Re-enable. Recording. Oh, does that mean I need to be more energetic? Is that what you mean by the coffee time remark? Huh? Huh? Is that what you mean? Focusrite, USB, monitor off, uh, monitor. Oh, nope. That means I can hear myself. Nope, can't do that. Nope, can't do that. What if I turn up the music? Does that help? Ah, maybe that was the problem the whole time. Let's see. Finally got music. Excellent. Finally got some music. All right. So let's see. What kind of music do we want to listen to? Do we continue listening to the lo-fi chill stuff, or do we want to listen to something else? You guys tell me. I'll put on whatever. I really don't care about copyright as long as it doesn't like stop the stream. Do we want to jam or do we want to chill? You guys tell me. Working and lurking. All right, so we're trying to get a bounce off of this dynamic reactor. We'll see if it can hold. Let's see. We did get some clipping here on the True 7 onto the downside, so might have been a good time to potentially take some profit. I'll go ahead and take half off since we did hit a key level. We'll go ahead and take half off of this trade. I don't know, man. I kind of just want to keep this. It's low margin, low leverage. I kind of just want to hold it. I think I'm just going to hold it. I'll take the small loss if it does come up for my... maybe we can come up here to this low. Long link from 1811, Lil Scout. Let's see. We'll keep an eye. We'll keep watching this XRP here. We said link. What exchange, B team? And thank you for being here, B team. What's going on? Oh, you're the one that said coffee time. Yeah. Probably be on for another, I don't know, little while. I had one blunder on that last game. Couple mistakes. Let's do a new game. So open up with the pawn so I can have room for my queen and my bishop to play in the future. Let's go ahead. Let's start creating a chain here. So we got the king side over here. Get this pawn out of the way so I can get this bishop out. Okay, so he's trying to threaten this pawn, but I mean, I've got my king here if he really wants to take it. Let's go ahead and take the bishop. Move it out of the way. And now development's not really there yet. I want to get a little, let's get some more pieces out. Okay, so he wants to threaten my bishop. That's okay. Let's just go ahead and take. Maybe not. He's got his queen sitting right there, probably waiting for me to come and take that. So let's go ahead and put him in check. Long link. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Link USD T. $18.11. So from somewhere down below here. All right, let's zoom out. Wow, below these lows. Let's zoom out even further. Say scalp long. Okay. This low over here would probably like to get taken at 18.15. Got another low right here, 17.89. So you're thinking somewhere in between here? Potentially. We are being held down by the dynamic and quantum reactors pretty heavily. So definitely would be a scalp long if you were to look for that. Let's go ahead and throw up a Fibonacci. Oh, it's my turn. Let's bring the bishop down. So let's come here. Come here. So we do have golden pocket down here at 1792. He's at 1811, which is below this low. So I can definitely see that. At least here on the Bybit spot chart, I would think that maybe 1792 might be a good spot to potentially take along from. We want to see other stuff, of course, on the lower time frames. Let's go to the 15, see if we are above the dynamic reactor here. Now we're below it. We are getting a short signal here, so that could push us down to that price that you're looking for. At that 1811, I mean, it wouldn't be a bad spot. It's just taking out this low right here is what I think we could do. Oh, there's a nice little efficiency down here. I won? Game abandoned? Okay. But why though? That was weird. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, short. XRP still. What are we doing over here? Are we moving back up? All right, so XRP coming down into this previous consolidation range, getting a bounce off of the VWAP. Yeah, this short might not play out as much as I want it to, but we are sitting below the weekly VWAP, so kind of last point of resistance sitting there. Let's go back down to the 5. Yeah, this might be a good point to potentially we might add to this short. So we do have this potential support, this low coming up and turning into resistance. So this might be another good short opportunity here. Take a look at our oscillators. If it'll come up. There we go. So getting a little bit of a reversal signal in here, but nothing, no bullish divergence or anything like that. Everything is below the 0 line. Money flow is below the 0 line. True 7's below the 0 line. It does say that we probably clipped and maxed out potentially here for the downside move, but we'll see. We are getting a rejection right now off of this low. We'll see if it wants to come back up into this range. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. We see our measured move. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Take a lot of this noise off of here. We can see we are getting a bounce off of that dynamic reactor, so yeah, we'll see. I just want to see it come down and sweep the New York kill zone low. Let's go ahead and take out that low. Dang it. Come on. Just do it. And there's not a bullish divergence here, so this could just be a little short-term bounce before continuation to the downside. So be watching for that. It might not get there, yeah, if it shows, yeah. Only 6 watching. I don't know why. Is it because I'm playing chess? How long have I been live? I think I've been live since 10. Almost 2 hours. Doesn't even feel like it. Oh, snap. I already lost 20 seconds. Dang it. So we got the sell signal, so Sell signal here. Usually you will get a retrace before it continues. So my king side is a little closed off right now. Let's move the bishop here. Plan is to move this pawn up here. Bishop protect the pawn. See, his king's over here on this side of the board. So maybe instead of castling over here, since I already have pieces cleared out over here, maybe I'll just move my queen out of the way and castle. Potential second entry might be coming in right there. All right, let's go ahead and castle. Long castle. All right, so now what I'm wanting to do now is I'm going to start to try and push pawns up here. Go ahead and move the middle piece up. That way when I move this one up, I've got something to help block this pawn. Let's move. Yeah, let's move this up. Free pawn? You're just gonna hang your pawn out to dry like that, bro? I'll take it. You're gonna threaten my pawn? That's all right. All right, getting a rejection off of that level here so far. We'll see if it continues. Yep, I figured you would do that. I don't know why. Don't think there's anything that can take me here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take that pawn. Let's give some protection to the rook. But I took away protection for this pawn, and he didn't even see it. If you're battling with the pawns, you want to go to the inside. Let's go ahead. Let's see. Take. Which one is he going to do? Take or take? Or is he going to use the horse? He won't use the horse because then I'll just take his horse. But we can trade some pawns here. I don't know if I want to trade some pawns here. Let's just go ahead and move this up. Threaten that bishop. Got some back support. We're good. XRP, come on, man. Let's get the horse out to play. Hmm. Yeah. Protect my pawn here. Oh, God, just price action is like watching paint dry. That's why I decided to play chess, because I knew it was just going to be boring. Now, why would you do that? Should have saw that to begin with. All right. XRP might be trying to move up. So all the pieces are all over here. There's not a lot going on over here, but I have this lane taken. This lane is good. Take. Take. Hmm. Not a bad move. But freed up my rook to come up here. Now, king can't move anywhere. Come down and take my knight. Or, yep. Nah, I see you. I see you. No, let's keep the queen here. Ugh. Actually, let's see something. Rook up to here. Oh, he's got me in check. But rook up to here. Well, he could take with the bishop. That's what's got him protected. Keep this protected. Can't take my rook because my queen is backing him up. Come on, bro. Price action is boring. Is there anything you guys see that might not be boring? Oh, we dropped down. We dropped down a lot of listeners. Okay. Okay, that was a good move, but let's put that knight in trouble. What are you gonna do with that knight, bro? What are you gonna do with it? Is this checkmate? No, because he could move his bishop back. That's okay. I'll take it. He'll have to push his bishop back over here. It's the only move he has. Now he's got to move his king over here. Move my queen over. Checkmate. Boom! Finally won one. Yes! And all my viewers dropped. They didn't even get to see it. Good game. Good game. All right, let's turn off the chess. I had to get one checkmate in. All right. Back to lay charts. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, what are we looking at, Bitcoin? What are we doing, Bitcoin? Just nastiness. It's just been such a nasty week. So we've come down, we've swept the New York Open, but we did not take this low in here. And in fact, we created an equal low. Do I have, no wonder things have been so slow. Freaking Discord's open. It's always slow when Discord's open. Do I have a VPN on too? No, it should be off. Yeah, it's off. Okay. So yeah, I'm still watching these equal lows here. If I just take all the noise off of here. But I mean, that's a successful breakout back test. So, I mean, but these equal lows, man, I don't like it. I don't like it. I feel like that we might come down here, snatch up those equal lows before returning to the upside, but we'll see. All right, we got any potential trades? What are you guys looking at? Can't stick around for 2 hours? What's wrong with you guys? There's still a couple of you still in here. Sui is down. Beam is down. Everything had a nice little pop-up, but not being able to hold up. Altcoins really don't want to look lower than like a 15-minute for me. Altcoins just continue to bleed against Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Did get a little push up today. Looks like it's trying to go higher. We'll see. See what our total two's looking like. Is our altcoin market still struggling? ETH. Those poor alts. Yeah, I know. It's just not their time yet, I suppose. It's not looking good. What's our Dixie doing? Everything's just still kind of just meh. I don't know. I don't know what's... Market's kind of boring, man. Well, got a feeling we could see some end of day price action going on. Let's drop back down. Need some different grooves. How about some sleep token? Take me back to Eden. Sorry, I'm not monetized yet, so I can play this. Told y'all I want to do like 8-hour streams, right? Let's see, we've got... Is there anything pumping right now? Let's see. Not really. ARPA? In phosphorescence, bleed through spaces, see you drifting past the fog. Let's get a 24-hour stream? Nah. I'll do a 24-hour stream when I hit 1,000 subs. How about that? Perfect oceans, not to breathe. Coffee and Red Bulls will be needed. Not Red Bulls. It'll be Ghost energy drinks for me. This is a new one. Straw Bango. Strawberry mango. It's pretty delicious. Like fire, I'm a winged insect. Alright, so... How loud is this? Pretty delicious. Like fire, I'm a winged like I was saying, if we come back down here and we take this low at 240, then I will move my stop loss. Oh yeah. Let's just turn it up. Oh yeah.
Well, yeah,
Spit blood when I wake up. Oh, come on.
Sink porcelain stain, choking up brain matter
Matter
and
and
makeup.
makeup.
Just 2
2
days
days
since the
since the
mainframe
mainframe
went
went
down and
down.
I'm still messed up. Room feels like a meat freezer.
I'm dangling like cold cuts.
Missed calls, answer phones from people I just
Don't trust.
Mirror talk, fake love, but I'll take a pound of your flesh before you take a piece of my pay stub. White roses, black doves, godmother, rise up. I need you to see me for
what I have become.
my mind, those eyes like fire. I'm a winged insect, you're a funeral pyre. Come now, bite through these wires. I'm a waking hell and the gods grow tired. Reset my pace in violence along both lines of pathway higher.
Can you stop glitching, please? I'm trying to listen to music.
Grow back your sharpest teeth, you
Know my desire. Alright, so potential bounce off the VWAP with some consolidation here, which could lead to continuation to the upside. So we'll just have to see. We'll have to see. Let's go ahead and throw back on our Market Oracle Pro Plus. Let's see the Market Dynamics Pro. We do have the previous daily high over here. We just came down and swept the previous weekly low. So that could be a turnaround spot, potentially. Ghost sponsorship. I would take it. I'm gonna be influenced by my Ghost sponsorship. They're gonna force me to I don't know. Oh no, we're breaking up. Keep it around. Alright, so we're below the EMAs. Alright, this is getting way too glitchy and I don't know why. I guess the lo-fi's doesn't have issues like that, so we'll just go back to the lo-fi. It's too much processing power for real music, I guess. Let's see, we're gonna come back up here to this. I don't know, we do have a vector candle up here. This could be putting in a midday reversal and we start pushing back to the upside, guys. That could be the case. Let's go ahead and let's remove TR main. Let's get rid of this. Really should have taken the short up here after we got the take profit 4, but woulda, shoulda, coulda. So now I'll just look for us to break this downwards trend. No, I'll take it from here. I'll take it from here. Alright, so I got it back above that weekly VWAP now, so might be going ahead and closing this short. Taking just a little bit of profit, not a whole lot. Maybe $1. $1's better than no dollars. We're gonna get a midday reversal. Is that what we're doing? I'm cool with it. Still got to be careful though. Like I said, I'll happily take a small loss. My wife said, call me when you're done streaming. Well, I don't know when that's going to be, so maybe I should just call her. Okay, so we got stacked cells up here, so could be going for that. If this closes, if I get a, well, I think we already got a candle body close above these highs over here, so I should just go ahead and close the trade. That's fine. Made a few cents. Let's go ahead and close it. Couldn't get to follow through, and that's okay. That's okay, that's okay. Now we can zoom in a little bit here. Watch it reverse and come right back down. It's just not really worth the risk. I mean, kind of got a channel going on here. Could be interpreted as a bull flag. Potentially. Get a nice breakout of it. 263. Let's zoom out, see what that looks like on a higher time frame. I mean, yeah. It's not looking bad on the higher time frames. I mean, we're still below the dynamic reactor, below the quantum reactor, so still pretty bearish. But that money flow point of control is sitting above us at about $3.15. So, yeah, I mean, XRP is not looking too shabby. Not looking too shabby. Just trying to scalp some short-term price action, but yeah. Would have liked to have seen pull back down. I think we still get it. Previous day low. We swept the previous daily low. I don't know, man. This thing might not come back down to it. Sitting on top of that weekly VWAP right now. Got a nice bounce off of the session VWAP. Now we'll see if we can get a close above the weekly VWAP. Let's go ahead and go down to the hourly, see if we have gotten a close. We got a close below the weekly VWAP. So if this hour can come back up and maybe start pushing higher. The only problem is our true 7 is really kind of weak, and our money flow is below the 0 line. Not really showing a lot of strength, and our power bar for our bullish momentum has faded. So maybe I should have stayed in that short. Maybe I should have stayed in that short. That's okay. We really won't be getting gigalong until we start breaking these dynamic and quantum reactors here, at least on the hourly. So let's go to the 15. See if we've broken him on that. I think we get probably might still be sitting below. Oh no, we're sitting above on the 15. So, but it is showing that we could come down lower. Should have stayed in this short, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. We are above the VWAP, so maybe not. All right. Well, 2 hours in, guys. Had a good time hanging out with you. I think that's going to be it. I think we'll call it a day. Wife wants me to call her, so wasn't able to get the trade that I wanted on the stream, but that's okay. Probably trying to do a little too much. Probably won't do the chess and trade at the same time again. But it was still fun. I mean, I enjoyed it, and I do appreciate those of you that did stick around throughout the stream, and for your continued support. And yeah, thank you for being here. If you wouldn't mind smashing that like button on your way out. Looks like you already did. We had a bunch of likes. I do appreciate all of you. Any newcomers, hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this content. But yeah, outside of that, guys, I will share stuff in the Discord, in the Piper Academy Discord, if I see anything today, any other potential trades. Right now, market's still just trying to find its footing, so not out of the woods just yet. So, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Just gonna be a little more chop. But if I don't see you later on, I might see you later on. We'll see. I might, depending on if the what you call it, if the market starts getting a little busy, maybe I'll hop back on here if my wife lets me. But we'll see. But yeah, man, it was fun. Thank you for joining. Hopefully, this will be the last time in a while, likely, that I'll be live during market hours. So it was fun while it lasted. And yeah, that's going to be it, guys. Thank you for joining me, as always, again. And we will see you all in the next video, in the next stream. Maybe I should start posting or recording some videos specifically, some legacy videos specifically for this channel to try and start getting that viewership and stuff up. XRP continuing to push, so might not have been a bad idea to get out of that trade after all. But yeah, thanks guys. I do really appreciate each and every single one of you, and I will see you all in the next one. Mad love. Peace out.